Go.
Hi everyone! So, this is former Police Lieutenant Ritalin Hernandez. So, isa lang po sa mga nakarating ng ibang bansa dahil sa ginagawa nating negosyo. Of course, with Royal. At isa sa mga nagustuhan ko na nangyayari sa buhay natin is yung na-enjoy na talaga natin yung buhay natin kasi we already collect experiences, we already collect memories, kaya yun yung nakikita ko na talagang nakakapagpahaba ng buhay natin, yung sa pagiging masaya natin, di ba? And since isa po tayong professional, I am a graduate of AB Political Science, I am a graduate of Criminology, licensed Board of Criminology, at nag-masteral na din. So sabi nga natin, gustuhin man natin maging successful in our career. So isa sa mga nabigay din sa atin ng negosyo is kung ano yung sipag na ginagawa natin sa trabaho natin, why not dito mo dalhin? Dahil ito talaga yung worth it na bibigyan mo ng busy na oras mo, di ba? And actually, in my 3 years of doing Royal, I went already in Thailand, in Singapore, in Malaysia, in Hong Kong, and now in Macau. So again, dahil ginagawa natin to, masaya ako dahil kung nararanasan ko to, I'm sure ito din yung gusto ko na maranasan ng pamilya ko. Kaya I'm so excited, of course, na makasama yung buong pamilya ko sa ibang bansa, na kung ano yung saya na nararamdaman ko, yun din yung mabigay ko sa kanila. Aside from, syempre, we have material things na nabibili, nakakapagpasaya sa atin. So, iba yung experience talaga na nakakarating tayo sa ibang bansa. Kaya, nagpapasalamat ako. Of course, we have this kind of travel incentives, yung kumita ka na, di ba? And may free travel incentives pa tayo. At nagpapasalamat tayo, of course, sa ating Police Queen, our grand mentor of Elite Warriors, no other than isa sa mga, siyempre, nagtuturo sa atin na kung paano natin gawin ng tama ang negosyo, kung paano tayo dapat tumulong sa kapwa natin, kung paano dapat natin sagipin yung mga kagaya nating sagad din sa loan. Kaya maraming salamat po, Grand Mentor Giboy Aplidor, and of course sa kanyang asawa, isang pulis din po na kagaya natin, Mentor Josephus Theodore, at sa mga kasama natin sa Elite Warriors na naging inspirasyon po natin na kung ano po yung kaya ng lahat, di ba? Dapat maniwala din po tayo na kaya natin. And ikaw na ang susunod. Maniwala ka lang din. Thank you!
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder. Thunder. Kids were laughing in my class.
It's so unnatural way you got me wrapped up, yeah, you got me hooked up, yeah, you got me loved up. It's so magical what you do in one touch, yeah, you got me unstuck, yeah, you got me love struck. Hi, hello, you've been running circles in my head, you know. You said we were gonna take an ice, and so They don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you.
Saan ka ngayon, Master? Are you riding?
Yes, I'm riding. I'm going to Chong Lai.
Sasakyan mo?
Sumasakay ako sa bus. Sa ano? Sa train.
下一站金钟，乘坐可以换乘港岛线前往台湾，
Grabe.
或是换乘南港岛线或东铁线。左边的车门将会打开。
Sa'yo ka?
Saya ako. Buti na lang. Merong English. Hindi magiging illiterate ako dito.
So dramatic how you wrap it up. God, how you love me non-stop. And your hair is so hot. Hi, hello. You've been running circles in my head. You know, you said we were gonna take it nice and slow. And now I'm telling everyone I know. And it's looking alright with me. So if it's okay with you, I think I'm gonna love you for a long time. Baby, it's breaking news. I think I'm gonna love you for my whole life. If you wanna know the truth, nothing will ever compare the way you do. It's okay with you. I think I'm gonna love you for a very long time. It's such a headache how you got me in knots. How you're up in my thoughts. Sound like blah 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 blah.
Sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. Sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, boy. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Now I bought a whip, I paint it pink, it drive itself. The fuck you think? Yeah, I'm rich now. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a thotty, that's a no.
I've been in the club and taking shots. If you got your mask off in the photo, you getting crap. Hopping out the function. The CVS is like a block away. Bought a moisturizer, my ice cold is dry on my face. Don't need that VVS, my ice is fake. Your life is fake. I choose to do it for my pocket's sake. You're basing your opinions on what the major says. I renovate the bad energy I erase.
Yeah, I don't really ever wanna top. Only really ever wanna top. Guess I'm going back to the side. At least this money never really stops. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a thotty, that's an oath. Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a thotty, that's a no.
Just bought the Kenny, about a million options. So just talking to stop doing agreement. I rock arenas, bringing the peace. I'm bumping that park in the car, pretending I got all the eyes on me. Got a bad baby and she's independent. Too many people older than me that's seeking attention. When they want me about the goofies, man, I should've listened. And the smell of the money, my strangest addiction.
She tit for dick, I let her lit. I had to dip, I'm off for fifth, I'm all rich now. I bought a whip, I paint it pink, it drive itself. The fuck you think? Yeah, I'm rich now. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a thotty, that's a no.
I've been in the club and taking shots. If you got your mask off in the photo, you getting crap. Hopping out the function. The CVS is like a block away. Bought a moisturizer, my ice cold is dry on my face.
Hi guys! I'm Neil, former police lieutenant. Bago ako mag-share ng experience, siyempre sa inyo guys, gusto ko muna pasalamatan si Lord sa kanyang napakagandang plano para sa buhay natin. Siyempre sa ating kumpanya, Royal, and to our police queen, our grand mentor, Jiboy Abdulor, and mentor, Josephus Abdulor, our police queen. Ayun guys! Naalala ko lang nung empleyado pa ako. 2 years akong nagtrabaho sa bangko, 14 years ako sa PNP. So, sa 16 years ko po as nagtatrabaho, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kapag sumakay ako ng aeroplano, pwede na ako mag-class. Diba? Kasi never ko po na-experience na makasakay sa aeroplano. And I am so thankful, grateful, and blessed dahil sa opportunity meron ako kasi alam ko naman sa sarili ko na hindi lahat nabibigyan ng chance, hindi lahat nabibigyan ng pagkakataon katulad na may experience ko ngayon na nag-business ako dito kay Royal at the age of 37 years old. First time ko pong makapunta ng Singapore. Singapore, Malaysia last 2021. Then, 2022, nakapunta naman po ako ng Thailand. And right now, guys, my 4th international travel sa Macau. And ngayon, nandito po tayo sa Venetian. di ba? Hong Kong and Macau, yan, 4th and 5th international travel. And eto guys yung nabibigay sa akin ng negosyo. Kaya yung sa mga nanonood ng video ngayon, di ba, kung nakikita mo sa iba, nararamdaman mo na gusto mong pumunta doon, and iniisip mo na parang imposible sa'yo, di ba, imposible mangyari. Huwag kang mag-alala guys, I've been there, naramdaman ko din yan, naisip ko din yan. Pero kapag meron kang tamang kumpanya, tamang oportunidad, mga tamang tao na kasama mo para tupadin ang mga gusto mo sa buhay, walang imposible, lalong-lalo na sa ating Panginoon. Kaya, yun lang guys! Enjoy and God bless everyone! Bye-bye!
Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun, praising our. Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever.
Wanna hate on us, be envious. I know why they hating on us, 'cause the style so fabulous. I'ma be real on us, nobody got nothing on us. Girls be all on us, from London back down to the US. We rockin' this contagious, monkey business outrageous. Just confession, girl admits that we the F-R-E-S-H, we fresh, G-E-F, that's right, we different. We definite, B-E-P, we reppin' it. So, turn me up, turn me up, turn me up. Come on, baby, just pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it.
Sasakay naman tayo na dahil magpapainom si pare Tom.
Going on vacation, so where you wanna go? It's a celebration, don't need no invitation. Going on vacation, so where you wanna go? Love is a destination. Ready or not, here we go. Vacation time, taking over every place we go. Ready or not, here we go. One more time. We don't give a every on a roll. Boom, blast style, let's turn it up. Indian summer, burn it up. Today I'm gonna have a fool. Bring your friends, we buckle up. No destination, astronaut. I can take you to the moon. We're going on vacation, so where you wanna go?
Grabe naman nagpapahinga yan. Sa Hong Kong nagpapahinga. Yeah. Pati yung ating midwife na senior citizen sa Hong Kong nagpapahinga. Pero feeling young.
I used to rule the world. Seas had rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to.
fiancé ko nakarating ng Hong Kong. From Philippines to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Napakaswerte. So ngayon nakakulit.
Hi guys, magandang buhay. I'm Albiste, a former Air Force, and grabe, full-time ginagawa yung opportunity. And syempre, flex ko lang, andito po ako ngayon sa Macau. Okay, so galing po ako ng Hong Kong, pumunta ng Macau, and naka-check-in po ako ngayon dito sa Venetian Hotel, isa sa mga expensive na mga hotel na pinupuntahan ng mga mayayaman dito, di ba? So, grabe, nakaka-excite lang. Kasi po yung opportunity ay pinaparanas niya sa atin yung mga bagay na hindi pa natin naranasan. You just imagine po na dati yung trabaho ko, yes, provide ko naman yung mga gusto ko tulad ng kumakain ng 3 beses isang araw, na itatawid yung pamilya, pero hindi sapat tumupad ng pangarap. That's why after my 7 years in service, naghanap po ako ng paraan nung nalaman ko na parang walang nangyayari sa pangarap ko. Naghanap ako ng paraan, ano ba yung pwedeng opportunity ni makadagdag sa sweldo ko. So nagtanong lang din po ako ng paano magkaroon ng extra pagkakakitaan at least 5,000 man lang madagdag sa kinikita. Okay, and yan, after 1 year na ginagawa ko yung opportunity is nararanasan ko na po kumita ng 6 digit sa loob ng isang buwan. And tulad nito, napupuntahan ko na din yung mga lugar na dati ko na hindi napupuntahan. Okay, unang bansa na napuntahan ko dahil sa opportunity, Thailand, and ngayon naman Hong Kong, at saka ngayon nandito ako sa Macau. Kaya grabe, sobra ako nagpapasalamat sa opportunity. Na-realize ko lang din na minsan na natupad na natin yung pangarap nating trabaho, pero yung pangarap nating sweldo para magtupad ng pangarap natin kung totoo, hindi natin matutupad. Diba? Kaya napakaswerte natin pag nagpipray tayo ng maganda sa Panginoon, is dadalhin din niya tayo sa magandang opportunity na magtutupad sa mga pangarap natin. Kaya sabi nga, kung ano man yung naging desisyon natin last 5 years at kung ano man yung sitwasyon natin ngayon, yun yung desisyon natin. Diba? So kung wala tayong gagawing bago, next 5 years, kung ano yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, ganun ka pa rin next 5 years. Kaya lakasan mo yung loob mo and magpaturo ka. Kung pwedeng mabago yung buhay ng isang tao, pwede rin mabago yung buhay mo. Pare-parehas lang tayo lahat. And siyempre, bago ko makalimutan, wala akong ibang pinapasalamatan kung hindi ang aming grand mentor, si Kuya Theodore, and siyempre si Mentor Joseph, bumubuo ng Elite Warriors family, and siyempre kay Royal. Thank you so much sa opportunity na bumago sa buhay ko. And bye-bye!
¿Cómo puede ser verdad?
Last night I dreamt of San Pedro, just like I've never gone. I knew some young girl with eyes like the desert. It all seems like yesterday, not far away. Tropical the island winds, all the natural love brings. This is where I long to be, La Isla Bonita. And when the summer played, the sun would set so high.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, ayan, wala na tayong boses kasi sobrang na-enjoy natin yung travel natin dito sa Hong Kong. After natin ilang days na ikutin yung buong Hong Kong and Disneyland, we're here naman sa anong lugar to?
City Gate.
Chongpong, ano ba yan?
Tongchong.
Tongchong. Mali-mali yan. Mali-mali yung Chinese na kasama ko. Ayan. So, yan yung mga uniform personnel and midwife na kasama natin na nag-shopping. Grabe naman, wala naman kami nag-shopping. So, ito muna unahin natin. Dating Air Force. Ano masasabi mo na nagkahayod ka or nagtatrabaho ka or nagninegosyo ka sa Pilipinas and at the same time, dito ka sa Hong Kong nag-shopping. So, ayan, si Sir Alvis Tech, a former Air Force. Grabe naman.
Ayan, grabe. Thank you so much, GM. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ko po mararanasan mag-travel international. And nandito ako ngayon, nag-shopping ako sa Hong Kong. Grabe. Thank you so much, GM and Mentor. Grabe. Next time, ikaw naman ang kasama, Elite Warriors. Grabe.
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Al. Ayan. So, ito naman, ito talaga nakakatuwa kasi despite her age, is a senior citizen. Nasa 65 years old. Kundi ako 62 pala, sorry. 62, bawasan pa natin ng 10 years. It's 52 na lang, 52 years old, coming from Romblon. Grabe, imaginein mo. So, nagtatrabaho, pero ngayon, tingnan mo nagsa-shopping. Wow! Masasabi mo, ano ang sinabi mo?
Thank you, James, sa oportunidad na binigay mo sa amin, sa akin. Kahit part-time, wow, 6 digit, naka-shopping, wow. Noong sa Pilipinas, wow, grabe, tipid-tipid. Pero ngayon, wow! Kayang-kaya. Pero salamat, Elite Warriors. Salamat.
Uy, grabe naman.
Yan, grabe.
Ang lupit-bit pa yung business niya dito sa
Hong Kong nag-shopping.
Ayan. Grabe, thank you. Dati midwife po pala siya for 25 years. Grabe na yun. Enjoy niya.
29 years.
29 years. So, imagine. Diba? So, eto naman, isa naman, napakaganda. Napaka-energetic. Okay, si Joyce Jimenez ng Elite Warriors. Ang malupit, habang nagbabakasyon, may mga pay-in sa Pilipinas. Yung gumagastos ka, tapos may pumapasok din na pera. Wow! Ano ba sasabi mo dyan? Former president na
Yes, ganito yun, no? So dahil pang-apat na bansa ko na nakarating ako sa ibang bansa dahil sa travel incentive na binibigay ng team na lalo-lalo na aming Garnet ng Diva Yapidor. Alam niyo ba, hindi na ako sanay mag-shopping sa Pilipinas. Ibang bansa na pinupunta na. Actually, starting pa ako, ginawa ko na lang. Bumili ako ng bago shoes. Ayan, so thank you so much, Ian, dahil palagi kami kasama sa mga pinupuntahan niyo mo, kung ano pinupuntahan niyo, pinaparaan sa iyo sa amin yan. Ay, sobrang saya yung nakakalimutan ng mga bago. Dahil ginagawa mo sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa tayo magpapuna, sa ibang bansa nyo tayo shopping.
Dating police lieutenant, okay, nagtrabaho sa Pilipinas, pero dito nag-shopping, ang malupit, okay, ang sinaping niya, isang maliit na bag or isang maliit na pouch, but it costs 35,000 pesos. Wow! Kahon! Isa pa lang yun. O, interview naman natin kung ano pang karamdam. Sinod.
Guys, first time kong bumili ng coach kasi wala talaga kasi akong wallet. Ako nagdala ng wallet niya. Dito na naman bumili ng wallet sa Hong Kong. Grabe guys, papakita ko sa inyo. First time to. Yan na. Ready na ba kayo? Grabe. Thank you, GM and Mentor. mentor. Dahil, kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po mangyayari to. Ayan guys, coach. Grabe, swerte mo ay nag-boxing agad sa inyo. Guys, walang trabaho. Walang trabaho, tambay. Pero bumili tayo ng coach na wallet. Yan. Grabe. Oh, di ba?
Dollar.
Mura pala yung wallet dito, $4,400 lang. Thank you, GM. Thank you, mentor. Sobrang happy. Congrats, Coach Nick. Grabe. Guys, yung mga first time experience ko, nandito lang talaga sa business. Kaya I'm very thankful, grateful, and blessed. Guys, 4th international travel. Mamaya, 5th international travel. Kasi diretso kami na Hong Kong. Ay, Macau! Macau pala. From Hong Kong to Macau. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Jeff.
Bye! See you! Macau! And then see you Vietnam! See you guys!
Time, dapat kasama ka na.
Hi! Ako, dating nag-OFW, wala din na napala. Pumasok sa politika, ngunit masakit sa ulo. Kasi lahat ay hindi mo ma-appreciate ang mga constituents. Then, nag-retired, pumasok sa government bilang midwife, 32 years sa government hanggang ngayon. Pero nung nakita ko ang opportunity na ito, thank you po kay GM Jiba at sa kay mentor Joseph at sa mga coaches ko, ay ang laki na nagbago ang buhay ko. Dati, pag pumunta ko ng Maynila, during mga seminars, limitado ang allowance. Pag bumili, pumunta ng SM, una-una tinitingnan ay presyo, ang mahal. Pero dito, pumunta lang ng Singapore, ng Hong Kong, nagsakay ng eroplano, simple lang ang pamasahe. Bumili pa ng, dito lang ako nakabili nito kasi hindi afford sa Pilipinas kasi mahal. Pero ngayon, syempre, ito na, nang dahil sa opportunity sa business na ito, ayan, from Hong Kong, then dito na kami sa Macau, grabe. Tapos, naka-check-in pa sa malalaking hotel, 50K a night, grabe. Lumulubog na yung likod ko sa super lambot na kama. At ayan, patawa-tawa na lang. At syempre, ayan, pagkapi-kapi na lang. Parang feeling dun niya ba, ang saya ng namamasyal na walang iniisip. Pero, dito yung oportunidad. Masayang masaya. Thank you po, GM Jiba, sa oportunidad na binigay mo sa akin. Tuwang-tuwa ang puso ko. Mag-retired man ako, baka early pa retired ako ngayong next year. Di ba? At dahil kay Juna na siya yung nag-breed sa akin sa kay GM Jiba, ayan. So ito na ako ngayon. Salamat sa business na opportunity. Thank you.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the the math matters.